Most cars have a built-in air conditioning system installed. However, there are a few exceptions. If your car doesn't have one or it has been damaged beyond repair, you can go with a portable AC unit designed for cars. There are many products available to choose from for the best portable AC for cars, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best portable AC for cars from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Optical Portable AC for car. Optical is one of the well-known brands for its affordable range of portable mini air conditioners. They manufacture and design compact units and also some essential accessories. This mini air cooler is designed to be compact, eco-friendly, lightweight, portable for individual use, and easy to carry around. It is great to use for cars, basements, bedrooms, workspaces, offices, gyms, basements, or outdoor picnics. The fan of this air cooler offers 3-speed settings that let you personalize the airflow as per your requirement. Since it is a corded portable AC, you must plug it into a standard wall outlet or USB port, charging to enjoy cool, clean air. This misting fan uses evaporative technology and has a large water tank of 300 ml capacity on the bottom to keep it running continuously for 4 or 5 hours. It has easy to change the direction of the wind with its 360-degree rotation, and can be carried around easily with its handle. Number 2. Evapull Portable AC for car. If you are looking for a premium choice that will offer years of reliability, you should go with the portable AC made by Evapull. Due to its long-lasting options, Evapull is the most popular brand for portable ACs. In the third place, we are putting the perfect option for those who are looking for a permanent upgrade over the factory car AC. The Evapull Evapull portable conditioner is also a small and portable unit similar to other options on this list. However, it still manages to combine 3 functions in the same unit that are cooling, humidification, and illumination. The evaporative material used for this air conditioner makes the air 100% safe for breathing with no health hazards. The coverage area of the Evapull Evapull portable conditioner is about 21 sq feet wide, meaning it can easily suffice for a large car, suitable for its price class. And since it is a completely leakage-proof system, you don't have to worry about its maintenance. Number 3. Bhutan Goldtrums Portable AC for car. Even though Bhutan Goldtrums is not as well known as other brands, yet still manage to provide the best quality products. So, we include this in our list of portable ACs that keep away the sultry air in hot summer. This mini portable AC offers a fine spray that brings humidity and coolness in dry and hot summers. With its 3 adjustable wind speeds, you can adjust them to stay comfortable. It has a built-in 2x1800 mAh rechargeable battery that lasts up to 5-7 hours, and USB Type-C charging. It consists of a 200 ml water tank and a digital LED screen showing the remaining power to charge the model. It is lightweight, compact, portable, easy to move around, and ideal to use in the study room, bedroom, couch, workspace, or dining table. Also, it has a built-in soft light that acts as a night lamp. Bhutan Goldtrums offers a 1-year manufacturer warranty, along with a 30-day money-back guarantee upon any dissatisfaction. Number 4. Varisky Portable AC for car. Varisky is one of the best options to consider when it comes to portable air conditioners, especially in terms of their design and performance at an affordable price range. The Varisky USB rechargeable portable air conditioner is yet another economical choice for mini ACs, with multiple functionalities and reliable performance. They combine the functionality of an evaporative humidifier, USB desk fan, and air conditioner that make it work as a 3-in-1 multifunctional AC. It has a large water tank capacity of around 350 ml that dispenses soothing cool mist. This compact mini AC is 11 inches in height, which makes it a perfect option to use on your desktop, office, car, RV, camping, dorm room, or outdoors. You can easily charge this portable fan by using adapters, car chargers, laptops, or power banks. It is designed to offer 3 speed modes, low, medium, high, along with a 90 degrees pivoting head and adjustable and safety fan blades. Number 5. Aloes Portable AC for car. We should talk about the Aloes brand when searching for affordable portable AC fans, as they design quality products that fit in every home office, or indoors-outdoors, to create a comfortable space. The Aloes portable air conditioner fan offers a similar set of features as most other options have. It has a rechargeable 2000 mAh built-in rechargeable lithium battery that enhances prolonged performance upon a single full charge. Furthermore, it features a 178 ml or 6 ounces water tank capacity that reduces the hassle of frequent refilling of the tank for up to 3-5 hours of working. It is a 3-in-1 mini portable evaporative AC that acts as a small air cooler, air humidifier, ordinary desk fan, air circulator, and mood light. This lightweight and compact AC are charged by a standard USB charger power bank car charger. All these features will make it an ideal choice for various applications like a car, living room, kitchen, bedroom, RV, or office desk. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.